So this code is actually pretty easy to read through. So you'll notice that you have the setup function, and inside that you have pin mode, and it says LED built in and output. So what that's saying is essentially that the built-in LED, which is a variable in and of itself, it's like a built-in variable, and it always refers to the light that is on your board, your Arduino Uno board, and all it's saying is it's designating it as an output. Okay, so you're probably wondering, where is LED built in? Well, it's like, where was that declared? You know, if you're familiar with coding as a whole, then you'll understand what I mean by declared. But like, where did anyone define LED built in? And it's essentially just comes prepackaged. And then inside of loop, it's really simple. It just says digital write LED built in high and digital write LED built in low with a 1 second gap in between. And high refers to essentially turning on the LED, and low refers to turning it off. So as you can see, just looking at the Arduino Uno board, we have right here a blinking light. And if you read the code in the example, you'll see that inside the loop, we have a digital write for LED built in high, followed by a 1 second delay, and then low, which is and then followed by a 1 second delay. What that's saying is when it goes high, that means turn on the LED, and low means turn off the LED. It's determining essentially how much power is going to that LED. So that delay of 1,000 is essentially 1,000 milliseconds, which ends up being a second. So that's how you can kind of read through it. Now this, of course, is the absolute most basic tutorial, but just kind of gives you an idea of how this works. Okay, and just to reiterate, this LED built in, this is a digital pin. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you in the next video.